Welcome to another episode of The Untold Geology. Times may be hard and business doubtful. Debt is at an all-time high. Taxes are being raised more than we can imagine. Many live paycheck to paycheck, that is if they are lucky to have one, and many rely on credit as source of income. It just does not make sense. Not only does it not make sense, but it is unsustainable as well. However, you may be the poorest person on planet and be deeply in debt, but I assure you that if you do certain things in a certain way, you too can achieve great financial success. Not because of a miracle in the economy, not because you have laboriously poured in hours of extra hard work, and certainly not because you are living on a shoestring to build a future nest savings. In other words, you will never have to struggle to get money. Here I am, giving you the evergreen, the recession-proof formula to achieve any financial goal with the precision of a surgical laser. Just like algebra or law of gravity, there are certain laws that must be abided by and the results can be tremendous. Wallace Wattles was a self-help author in the early 19th century. He wrote the classic on prosperity consciousness, The Science of Getting Rich. In this book, the author shared his keen insight into manifesting riches or anything else for that matter in such a powerful way that nearly 100 years later, his book is still a favorite of millions of readers the world over. It is a powerful message, one that is transformational when applied. So here I am, presenting you the 3 powerful lessons the author revealed in one of the most studied success books of all time. The first lesson is, we live in a thought world. As such, we are a part of a thought universe. Therefore, whatever you think about consistently expands and tends to materialize in your life. This means your thoughts have the power to shape your life and create your reality in detail. When you use your imagination to visualize your desire, you are planting the seeds of attainment. Everything around you originated in the form of a thought. What began as a simple thought manifested into the chair you are sitting on, the phone you are using, the paint on the wall, in fact, everything. It all started in the thought substance. Thought is the only power that can produce tangible results. Think it first and visualize it as your reality. According to the author, that's exactly how you create things in your life. Since you have the power to choose your thoughts, you can create or manifest what you sincerely want and earnestly desire. If a person can communicate his thought to original thinking substance, he can cause the creation or formation of the thing he thinks about. The second lesson is, hold on to the thoughts you want to manifest. To attain any goal or desire, you must stay focused. Focus is the greatest secret. For many people, staying focused on one objective until they reach it is difficult. But the author advises to continue thinking about what you want and accept it as your reality. We must learn to think truth regardless of the appearances. Not an easy task to be sure, but to the determined soul, this could be the key that unlocks the door to their most cherished dream. Once you have decided on a result, claim it as yours. Maintain an unquestioning faith that whatever you want is actually on the way. Now you have placed your order with the universe, and your continued and persistent thought, accepting the result as certain, is sure to bring it about. Know what you want and want it badly enough that it is easy to keep this desire in your thoughts. Ignore present conditions and circumstances, as these are nothing more than the manifestation of past thoughts. The third and the last lesson is, be grateful for it all. Gratitude. Sincere gratitude connects you to your unlimited power. Call it God, Spirit, infinite intelligence, the divine, whatever you choose. It is the connection that facilitates the manifestation of all things. Gratitude raises your vibration. As long as you are feeling appreciative, you cannot be angry, frustrated, disappointed, or sad. Be grateful for every result, not just the grand and glorious. This may be a difficult idea to adopt, but it is the one that can help but serve you well if you listen to the advice of the author. In the author's word, all things have contributed to your advancement, therefore include all things in your gratitude. You are the product of your past experiences and circumstances. All those things are history, but each has contributed to the person you are today. Be grateful for it all and keep thinking about what you want. There you have it. 3 most valuable, even life-changing lessons from the early 20th century sage Wallace Wattles from his book The Science of Getting Rich. Watch it once again, absorb these truths, and then think and visualize your ideal future result. Please click on the like button if you have liked the video. Mention in the comment box which particular thought or the lesson you liked the most. Share it with other people as much as possible, and please subscribe to our channel Untold Eulogy, the Untold Stories, and thank you for watching.